It's Fat Tuesday, and that means Mardi Gras is well underway. And for those of you who've had a chance to celebrate Mardi Gras in New Orleans, it's probably something you'll never forget. That is, if you even remember any of it in the first place. But besides the parades and all the eating and drinking, one tradition that is still going strong is eating something called a king cake. Let me show you our easy version. All we do is separate each biscuit from a package of refrigerated biscuits into 3 pieces. Once they are, we dip each piece in some melted butter before placing them in a pie plate coated with cinnamon sugar. After each layer goes down, we sprinkle on even more cinnamon sugar until all the dough is used up. And if there's any leftover butter, drizzle that on top. It's customary to hide a small plastic baby inside the cake before baking it, but we think it's a lot more practical and safer to use a gumdrop instead. I'll tell you the story behind that tradition in a minute. Once it's baked, we finish it with a simple 2-ingredient glaze and decorate it with purple, green, and gold sugar, which represents justice, faith, and power. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our Mardi Gras King Cake, which is simply to die for. And whoever gets the baby or the gumdrop in their piece of cake has to make the next king cake or host the next party. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a festive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Look what you got. You make the next party.